Hi, hello friends, welcome to Facts Leader YouTube channel. If you are not subscribed, please get subscribed and press the bell icon for latest videos. First, you are seeing at the welding tube machine from radiator manufacturing. The production process of an automobile radiator involves several main steps. First, the tubes and fins are cut, shaped and assembled to create the core structure. The core transfers heat from the coolant to the surrounding air, thus helping to regulate the temperature of the engine. After the core undergoes bracing and the radiator tanks are assembled and connected to the core, an air tightness test is conducted. Finally, the radiators goes through a drying process, cosmetic fixes and packaging. The adhesive blanking and cupping press is an automated machine that cuts and shapes metal strips into cups with precision and accuracy. The fully mechanical case grooving machine is capable of precisely and accurately grooving 9 by 19 mm cases. As for the ecstasy loading machine, it assembled primed cases, gunpowder and cartridge cases with speed. And finally, the automatic tip painting unit efficiently paints the tips of 5.56 cartridges for a consistent and uniform. Wheel making genesis. Flow form wheels are produced using a casting process known as flow forming, combining the advantages of both cast and forged wheels. Castings are made from a strong aluminum alloy and undergo heat treatment for optimal hardness levels. Flowing forming squeezes and stretches aluminum, refining its crystalline structure for a strong inner barrel. Wheels go through multiple quality control checks, including X-ray inspections and leak tests to ensure structural integrity. After cleaning and powder coating, wheels are specifically tested for radial strength, cornering performance, and impact resistance. Jones Way branches are made from premium steel, ensuring endurance and performance. In the beginning, the raw material is heated and elongated through rolling and forging, increasing overall strength. The wrench blanks undergo chemical grinding and hand polishing for a smooth finish. The branches are stamped with the Jones Way logo and item number before undergoing heat treatment. After that, they go through sandblasting and chemical grinding for a clean and enhanced surface. A specifically designed plating technique ensures effective deposition and corrosion resistance. Finished branches undergo torque testing, plating examination and quality inspection before being packed for delivery. Continuously cast round steel billets with a diameter of 230 mm are used to manufacture seamless tubular products. The forming process involves three steps: cross roll, piercing, push bench, and stretch reducing mill. Heat treatment and tempering ensure the desired strength levels and microstructure of the tubes. Threading lines equipped with CNC machines cut various types of threads and connections on the tubes. Tubes are subjected to hydrostatic testing, thread protection, and final measurements before being bundled for shipping. Rainwater tank. Rapid Plus tanks pride in their tank manufacturing process, ensuring class leading quality and decades of experience. The tanks are crafted with precision using a unique composition of materials for extra strength and UV protection. The colors for the tanks are blended and mixed, guaranteeing conformance, permanence, and richness. Each tank undergoes rigorous quality assuring tests to ensure it meets the highest standards of structural integrity. Gen ball bearings are manufactured using advanced protection techniques and stringent quality control measures. The manufacturing process starts with selecting high quality materials for optimal performance and durability. Precision machining and grinding are employed to create the intricate components of the ball bearings. Each gen ball bearing undergoes rigorous testing and inspection to ensure it meets the highest standards before being delivered.